Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video. Today we are going to learn how to set our pay box to either a timer or a water meter. So what we do is go into our next settings, and now we have the options of picking our electric timer or our water meter. For our demonstration here, I'm going to pick my water meter and simply hit save. So what would be some of the uses of a water meter versus a timer? Well, if we were running a public shower and we wanted to control how much water is being used, we could use the water meter rather than the timer. And so this option will give us lots of flexibility in determining what would work best for our situation. For more information about our Coinbox and other Fine products, please follow the links given below. Thank you very much.